Hey guys, this is the third scalping video, where I will talk about scalping rules and when to open and close the trades. So, if you want to successfully scalp, then you need rules, your own scalping rules, that you will always adhere. This time I am giving you the rules which I used when I scalped. Let me tell you, I made a lot of money with them. I went from 0.02 BTC to a half BTC in 2 months with scalping. So, here are the rules. Rule number 1. Buy only when the price dips. Never buy during the rise, because the coin might dump just after you bought. This is the most important rule for beginners. Rule number 2. Set your buy price to 0.5% or to 1% from the current price. Because sometimes while the price is dipping and you feel that it's the right time to buy, someone else with a lot higher order size may think the same and buy just before you. This guy will pump the price up maybe even 2%, and if you don't have limited buy price, then you will buy at the peak that he created, which will decrease your profit significantly. Or the coin might just start falling from the top and you are instantly in loss. Rule number 3. Trade only while the coin didn't reach its top price. While the coin is still rising and creating higher and higher peaks, it's guaranteed that while you buy in dips, you are always profitable. But if the next peak is lower than the previous one, the coin has probably reached its top and now will be falling down. If you buy in dip during the fall, then the dip might be a dump, which won't rise up again. A lot of people that trade during the fall usually lose what they made during the uptrend. So it's time to stop trading now and be happy with what you made. Next, I'm going to speak about when to enter the trade. So, first of all, you need a coin that is suitable for scalping. The higher the coin's delta is, the better. You can check the previous scalping videos to get more information about this. Once you got the right coin, you need to closely watch the price and buy volumes in upper right corner and also in the order book. While the price rises, wait till it dips a bit. When it starts to dip, check the volume in order book. As the price dips, there will nearly always be a buy wall somewhere waiting. And once the price falls close enough to the buy wall, it will bounce back even higher than before. So, when the price is closing to the buy wall, you need to also start checking the volume in the upper corner of the chart. If you see that the buy volume is increasing, it's a signal that people are buying and the price is bouncing off the buy wall. If you understand this, then what you need to do is to buy right before the price bounces off the buy wall. That's about all for basics of buying in scalping. Next, about closing the trade. This part is rather simple. You either set a solid sell price like 0.5 from buy price and wait till it gets filled, or you use the second option to maximize profit but also increase risk. Second option is to watch for a sell wall in the order book and put your sell order some percentage under the sell wall. It's likely that the rise will stop because of the sell wall, so sell before the price reaches the sell wall to be safe. Now let me show you some examples for entering the trade. As you can see here, the rise stopped and now it's dipping down. Now I check the order book to see if there is a wall. After that, I will be watching how the buy volume in the top corner changes as it closes down to the buy wall. When I see that it's increasing, I am buying because it indicates that other people are buying and thus the price will go up. Again, the same scenario. Dip, check the order book, then check the buy volume in the top corner, and buy when everything is as mentioned. And again. There is the buy wall. Also, the buy volume is increasing, which means that the price will rise. So, I'm buying. And some examples for leaving the trade. You see that the price is rising, but there is a sell wall, so there is also a high chance that the price will bounce off it and fall down. So, I sell just before the wall. And again. Also, here are some afterthoughts. Once you get used to scalping, you can extend or bend the rules to your liking. For example, you can start buying while the coin is rising, because once you are used to scalping, you will see the potential of the rise just from looking at it. You can also try trading in downtrend, after the coin reached its peak and is falling down, but remember, do this only after you are used to scalping. Guys, if you got questions, ask in comments. If you want another video with specific topic, please write it down in the comments. And if you want to support me, I would be very glad. The details are in video description. Thank you for watching and goodbye.